how to add Google Authenticator to Gmail account. So first of all, open your Google, and then from here, you'll need to tap on your profile icon right here and make sure this is the particular account that you want to turn on the Authenticator to. And then from here, tap on Manage your Google account. After doing that, tap on Security and Sign In. And then from here, scroll down until you see two-step verification, tap on it. And then here you'll have to enter your account password. After entering it, tap on Next. And then from here, if you scroll down a bit, you can see the option of Authenticator, tap on it. And then tap on Set up Authenticator. So after doing that, next thing that you have to make sure is that you have your Google Authenticator installed on your phone. So you can simply scan this QR code, or you can tap on Can Scan It, and then it will give you the key. So all you need to do is simply copy this key, just like this, then go back and open your Google Authenticator, just like this, and in here tap on this plus icon, and then tap on Enter a Setup Key. And then in here, on your key option here, you'll have to paste the key just like this. And on the account name here, you'll have to enter your Gmail address. And another thing that you have to make sure is that it is selected time-based. If it is selected something else, you can tap on it and select time-based. Just like this, tap on Add. Now in here, make sure to remember this code, then go back. And in here, you'll have to tap on Next and simply enter the code right here. Then tap on Verify. And just like this, here you can see our Authenticator has successfully been set up. Now from here, all you have to do is tap on this Turn On. And just like this, here you can see we have successfully turned on our Google Authenticator for our Gmail. And that is it. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.